The Subaru Forester is designed to take you wherever life leads you, uniquely suited for daily driving and off-road adventure, with plenty of room for passengers to join you, or for extra gear you want to bring along. The Subaru Forester is a versatile SUV built with industry-leading safety that Subaru is known for. With genuine Subaru accessories, you'll find even more to love as you travel along the road best traveled. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your vehicle. They're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Come along with us as we take a closer look at some of the genuine Subaru accessories available for your Forester to make it everything you want it to be. Help protect your Forester from parking lot mishaps and keep it looking like new. Attractive, color-matched body side molding coordinates with the styling of the vehicle and helps guard against unsightly door dings. Your Subaru Forester adapts to any adventure, but sometimes you need a little extra protection for what lies on the road ahead. Genuine Subaru splash guards undergo a series of durability tests and are engineered to help withstand weather and various driving conditions, and to help protect vehicle paint finish from stones and road grime. Genuine Subaru door edge guards help preserve the appearance of your Forester while seamlessly blending into the door design. This stainless steel, custom-fit and color-matched accessory will help protect your door edges against dings and chips, no matter where life takes you. Traveling over muddy, rocky, or rutted dirt roads, the durable engine underguard is custom designed to fit your Forester to provide additional protection from gravel and minor road debris. The steel underguard is painted black to resist corrosion. The aluminum engine underguard is a lighter weight option, offering the same protective features. Both are engineered to replace the original plastic undercover, with the same easy access to the oil drain plug for regular maintenance. With the genuine Subaru side window deflectors, you can roll down the windows for a breath of fresh air while helping to keep inclement weather out. This genuine Subaru accessory is extensively evaluated for water intrusion and tested to help reduce wind noise and vibration. The durable, easy-to-clean plastic shell door scuff protector helps keep shoe scuffs and other scrapes off your doors when getting in and out of your vehicle. The unique texture complements the design of the door panels. Precision engineered to ensure an exact fit, custom-fitted high-wall design all-weather floor liners help protect the vehicle carpet from accidental spills and dirt to snow, sand, and mud. Plus, genuine Subaru liners withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to not only offer additional protection, but also help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Help protect the upper surface of the painted bumper of your Forester from scratches and scuffs when loading or unloading your gear with the rear bumper cover. When the journey ahead requires larger cargo, lower the rear seats without worry of damage to the seat backs with the genuine Subaru rear seatback protector. Use this accessory with the genuine Subaru cargo tray for optimal protection and for a seamless look in the cargo area. The genuine Subaru cargo tray not only helps protect the cargo area from sand, water, stains, and other messes, its surface also helps keep your items from shifting while the vehicle is in motion. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. Keep your gear organized and secure in the back of your Forester with the genuine Subaru cargo net. The net can be used in 2 ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. Increase your cargo carrying capabilities with the addition of a crossbar set. Depending on your Forester model as well as your preferences on style and function, there are 3 crossbar sets to choose from: fixed, arrow, or arrow extended. Crossbar sets may be used with all genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Gear up and increase the hauling capacity of your Subaru Forester with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule, so there's more room for you, your passengers, and for more adventure too. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increase durability. From the genuine Subaru Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage capacity, to carriers specifically designed to transport your kayak and paddleboard for adventures that get you out on the water. And when fresh powder has fallen and the slopes are calling, the ski and snowboard carrier holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. If you prefer to pursue your passions on the trails, there are a variety of genuine Subaru bike carriers to choose from, including the bike carrier fork-mounted, roof-mounted, hitch-mounted, or the bike carrier hitch platform, ideal for mountain or downhill bikes, e-bikes, fat bikes, and bikes with carbon frames. For the extra height you need to reach your rooftop lifestyle accessories, the Thule portable step can help. Constructed of heavy-duty steel with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs, the step conveniently folds and fits into a carrying bag for storage when not in use. When your travels require even more gear, tow it with a genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your Forester, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch, heavy-duty 1 1/4-inch receiver, is rated at 1,500 pounds maximum towing capacity and 176 pounds tongue weight. Unlike typical aftermarket hitches, the genuine Subaru trailer hitch is crash-tested as a complete system to maximize safety and weather-tested for lasting durability. Warm up in the winter and cool down in the summer. The genuine Subaru remote engine starter allows you to start your Forester with the push of a button to help ensure the interior temperature is more comfortable upon entry. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and home link darkens automatically to protect your eyes from unwanted glare when driving, and also features an 8-point digital compass. This popular accessory integrates 3 backlit home link buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if your garage door has been left open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. Elevate the auto-dimming mirror experience by adding the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light upon approaching the vehicle, or unlocking your doors with the keyless entry system. LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Enhance visibility in your interior with the LED upgrade for brighter, wider, and crisper lighting for seamless operation, uninterrupted functionality, and to help ensure the safety of your vehicle's electrical infrastructure. This genuine Subaru accessory is developed and tested to vigorous Subaru standards. Enhance the audio system to a new level of sound quality in your Subaru Forester. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade includes an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor to customize the sound to your personal preferences. Make the most out of any journey while staying connected. The USB charging ports are capable of fast charging most personal electronic devices. Thank you for joining us to see some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Forester. Whether it's a drive downtown or across the country, your Subaru will get you there safely and securely. Make your travels even more enjoyable with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.